Rimac Nevera is the car that has redefined what electric performance truly means. Built in Croatia, of all places, far from the traditional centers of supercar power, the Nevera is proof that tomorrow's hypercar legends won't always come from Maranello, Stuttgart, or Molsheim. And while it may surprise casual enthusiasts, among serious automotive insiders there's no doubt today the Rimac Nevera is as radical as any Bugatti or Koenigsegg, and in some ways, even more so. Unlike traditional combustion hypercars that build their drama through engines, gears, and escalating exhaust fury, the Nevera demonstrates what instantaneous, unbroken power can achieve when it's harnessed with absolute precision. This electric hypercar produces a scarcely believable 914 horsepower and 170 pound-feet of torque through a quad-motor setup, one electric motor per wheel, with an advanced all-wheel drive system and torque vectoring that reacts faster than anything mechanical could. In performance terms, the Nevera does not simply compete, it obliterates. Official verified tests have demonstrated a 0-60 sprint in 1.85 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. It reaches 100 mph in around 4.3 seconds and covers the quarter mile in under 9 seconds. Its top speed is a remarkable 258 mph, a figure that places it below some combustion rivals on this list. But when combined with its extraordinary launch and real-world usability, it represents a balance that hasn't been matched by any other electric car. What makes the Nevera particularly captivating is not just the straight numbers, but the feeling of how those numbers arrive. Unlike turbocharged engines that build up power, or even the raw explosion of American V8s, the Nevera delivers full torque almost instantly, pinning the driver into the seat in a wave of relentless thrust. There's no shift points, no rev builds, just the eerie, crushing silence of acceleration that feels more like being launched on an electromagnetic railgun than driving a road car. When journalists in the US first got behind the wheel, many described it as a completely new sensation, a mix of awe and disbelief, as though one's understanding of what a car could feel like had just been erased and rewritten. Visually, the Nevera manages to blend elegance with stealth aggression. Its design is functional first, having been molded in the wind tunnels of Croatia to serve the aerodynamic demands of high-speed stability and battery cooling. With a drag coefficient of just 0.28 in low drag mode and multiple active aerodynamic elements, every surface has a job. The smooth nose, wide stance, sculpted sides, and dramatic venting give it the profile of a hypercar, but without the flamboyant ornamentation of Italian exotics. Instead, the Nevera projects a certain futuristic minimalism, a hypercar that feels designed with tomorrow in mind. Inside, the Nevera proves that electric cars can offer luxury without heaviness. The cabin is modern and driver-focused, with a layout that avoids clutter and emphasizes digital interfaces. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with integrated performance controls, and behind it sits a large central display that switches between conventional driving data and performance telemetry depending on mode. Minimalist panels flow across the cabin, accented by carbon fiber trim and bespoke stitching. Rimac deliberately avoided excessive theatrics, preferring to underline the car's role as a serious tool of physics rather than a showpiece powered by theatrics. But make no mistake, the technology infused into the Nevera is second to none. Its 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack is packaged in a T-shaped configuration within the carbon monocoque, keeping weight centralized low in the chassis. This battery not only feeds the motors, but also acts structurally as part of the car's rigidity, giving it a stiffness rating rivaling race cars. Fast charging capability allows 0-80% charge in around 30 minutes using DC fast charging infrastructure, an impressive feat for such a massive battery. And because of its efficiency, the Nevera also offers a driving range of over 300 miles during moderate use, though that figure falls away quickly when extracting maximum performance. The dynamic capabilities of the Nevera are staggering. Rimac's bespoke torque vectoring system, called R-AWTV2, individually controls the power sent to each wheel. This allows maneuvers no conventional differential or gear system could match. The car can essentially pivot its weight mid-corner, adjusting traction in milliseconds to keep balance no matter the force applied. That means everyday drivers, even those without racing backgrounds, can push the car near its limits thanks to electronic systems enhancing stability invisibly behind the scenes. Yet at the same time, The Nevera allows for adjustable settings that give experienced drivers full control over slip, drift, and engagement, turning the car from a digital safety net to a live wire animal when desired. The Nevera's significance in America goes beyond performance. It represents the shift of ultra-wealthy buyers now considering electric vehicles in the same tier as combustion hypercars. With a starting price of around $2.2 million USD, driving reviews in America describe something almost paradoxical. The car is exceptionally fast, violent even, yet calm in a way combustion hypercars never are. With no vibrations, no lag, no aura of mechanical struggle, the Nevera simply obeys the driver's input, unleashing unbroken waves of speed. It is both more approachable for casual runs and more daunting for seasoned drivers, since its potential feels infinite. A Venom F5 or a Chiron still requires anticipation. Hearing revs climb, timing shifts, balancing response. But in the Nevera, the future seems to arrive instantly, compressed into every throttle push. Rimac also built the Nevera with rarity in mind. Only 150 examples will ever exist, with many allocated to US buyers due to the importance of the American hypercar market. Each car is hand-finished at Rimac's campus in Croatia, the same headquarters that now houses Bugatti-Rimac, following Rimac's merger with the storied French brand. That means the Nevera is not just Rimac's flagship, it's also a stepping stone to jointly developed Bugatti electrified hypercars still to come. The Nevera may not have the endless roar of a W16 or the violent belch of a twin-turbo V8, but that is its statement to the world. It doesn't need those effects to shock. Its speed, its acceleration, its control. These speak louder than any exhaust note could. In many ways, it is more frightening because of that silence. You expect your body to prepare for drama when you accelerate. Instead, the Nevera simply deletes distance in utter serenity, and only the relentlessness of its G-forces remind you of its reality. The Rimac Nevera doesn't just rank itself among the world's fastest cars. It stands as the undisputed proof that the electric revolution has already arrived. It combines almost 2,000 horsepower with scalpel-sharp control systems and a design dedicated purely to speed, positioning itself as the world's benchmark for what electric hypercars can achieve.